All right. For your demographics and statistics practice, this is what you are doing. It follows the same structure as regions and countries, but with different information. So again, we are working on gathering information from multiple sources and using it to learn more for our critical thinking skill up here. And then for our literacy skill over here, working on capitalizing the first word in a sentence, the pronoun I, proper nouns, punctuating correctly, and using resources to correct spelling and writing before publishing. You are going to do all of this and practice this by creating a one-pager or at least 5 Kahoot questions that provide definitions and examples of demographics, population, and demographic categories. So you are going to do this by following these steps. The first thing you're going to do is look at and read this National Geographic article on demography. It is linked right here. So we'll open this up. I want to show you a few things quickly. All right, so this introduces you to it. There are some images that go with it. This is what you're reading, this text right here under encyclopedia entry. So you're going to read this, but if you notice, there are some words that have some dots underneath them. Let me find one. So if you click on that word, it gives you a definition. And then if you scroll back to the top, whoops, you'll see this vocabulary section. So if you click on that, it has like a glossary for the entry that also has definitions. So those words that show up in there. And then credits, user permissions, and then some more resources down below that you can click on if you are recognizing that you want some more information. So you're going to read this article. Second step, you are going to watch this TED Ed video on population pyramids. Then step 3, you're going to explore the World Factbook, linked right here. This is from the CIA, and you're going to familiarize yourself with the country pages. So each country has a page. We can look at what that looks like, and that is where the demographic information for each country is. So if you're on the website, click on countries. They are alphabetized, brings you to all of them. You can search by letter, you can click all, but for now let's go to M and let's click on Malta. So this is Malta's country page. Every country in the world has a page like this. So what you're going to do, you can explore photos of Malta, you can see their flag, you can look at the map, documents, locator map to see where it is in the world. And then down here, these are all of the sections. Every country has a section like this. So you're just going to explore this to become familiar with this website and these topics that provide you demographics and statistics about countries. Step 4, identify definitions or provide descriptions of demographics, population, and at least 3 categories from the country pages on the World Factbook. So I'm going to jump back. At least 3 of these. So you could give a definition or describe environment, government, and people and society, or geography, environment, and communications. So 3 of those. And there are some examples right there. Number 5, you're going to identify 3 aspects of demographics for at least one country in the world. Example, age structure, education level, employment. So you are going to find at least one country in the world and then click into one of these and go to people and society, for example, and find in this category or in multiple of these at least 3 aspects of demography for a country in the world, and find that information, record that information. With this, you are going to create a one-pager or at least 5 Kahoot questions that show this information and your understanding of it. You should include information from number 4 and number 5. So in number 4 and 5, this information that you are gathering from these 3 different sources and practicing using, you're going to create your one-pager or 5 Kahoot questions that show your understanding of the information. We're practicing with this information and this content before we get to country profiles. Step 7, turn in your one-pager or Kahoot questions. Slide 3 down here. Very similar to countries, regions and countries. One-pagers, Canva, Google Slides, or handwritten. I'll change that right now. This is what your Global Goal one-pager was again, short, simple sentences and images. Your Kahoot questions, again, create them in a doc, slide, or handwritten. You do not need to actually make a Kahoot. Make sure you have good questions, have the correct number of answers, and make sure you identify the correct answers for your questions. That is what we are doing and how we are practicing with demographics and statistics. You will turn it into the assignment on Google Classroom.